Hello, good morning students. We are discussing cost analysis. In the earlier lecture, we discussed fixed cost, variable cost, total cost, and in the last lecture, we discussed average fixed cost, AFC. We also discussed why average fixed cost is sloping downward and why average fixed cost curve does not touch x-axis as well as y-axis. Today, we are going to discuss average variable cost. ओके थोड़ा समझने में मुश्किल है बराबर ध्यान दीजिएगा वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिहेवियर पैटर्न ऑफ एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट so obviously what is average variable cost is tvc upon q total variable cost divided by q मतलब आउटपुट वेरिएबल कॉस्ट के लिए बारे में हमने डिस्कस की है व्हाट इज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कॉस्ट आर दोज कॉस्ट व्हिच वेरी और चेंज विथ आउटपुट when output increase variable cost increases when output decreases variable cost decreases when output is reduced to zero or nil variable cost is zero okay so here 10 first unit 1 unit 10 rupees 18 rupees 3 units 24 rupees 4 unit 40 rupees 5 unit 60 so this is the shape of variable cost total variable cost like this as output increase variable cost increases okay but we have to understand the behavior pattern of average variable cost you can observe from the diagram that in the beginning average variable cost falls which is at the minimum level at point P and then it rises sharply what is the reason so we have to answer here two questions why it falls in the beginning when it reaches at minimum point three questions sorry and why it rises sharply beyond this point क्यों कम होता है मिनिमम पर पहुंचता है और क्यों sharply rise होता है तो you can observe from diagram table when firm produces 10 units तो 10 divided by 1 तो आंसर कितना आएगा 10 18 divided by 2 आंसर कितना आएगा 9 8 40 10 here 12 so you can observe when firm produce more and more output below the normal capacity below the optimum capacity average variable cost falls okay हमारे एग्जांपल में when firm produces 3 units it reaches at the minimum level or it is reached at the optimum level this is the normal capacity or optimum capacity उसके पहले जितना भी प्रोडक्शन होगा so here the firm is moving towards optimum utilization of resources the firm is moving towards normal capacity so average variable cost कम होगा per unit here very important point should be noted that total variable cost is not falling it is increasing 10 18 20 average variable cost is falling getting my point so this is below normal capacity so as you produce more average फर्स्ट यूनिट का एक यूनिट का एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कितना है 10 2 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे 9 3 यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे 8 व्हाई बिकॉज आउटपुट इज बिलो द नॉर्मल कैपेसिटी आउटपुट इज below the optimum capacity or in technical term we can say it is operation of increasing returns increase हो रहा है આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને કે ઉત્પાદન માત્ર વધતું નથી વધતા દરે વધે છે ઉત્પાદન વધતા દરે વધે છે એનો અર્થ શું થાય કે ખર્ચ ઘટે છે હા आउटपुट इंक्रीज हो रहा है इंक्रीजिंग रेट से मतलब कॉस्ट डिक्रीज हो रहा है कैसे मान ली इनपुट आउटपुट 100 रुपीज इनपुट 200 तो कितना होना चाहिए 400 मगर हो रहा कितना 600 सो व्हाट कैन वी से दिस इज द एग्जांपल वी कैन से दैट आउटपुट इज नॉट ओनली इंक्रीजिंग इट इज इंक्रीजिंग एट इंक्रीजिंग रेट उत्पादन मात्र વધતું નથી વધતા દરે વધે છે ઉત્પાદન વધે છે मतलब ખર્ચ ઘટે ક્લિયર so here when output is below the normal capacity or optimum capacity average per unit cost is falling not total variable cost. Therefore, average variable cost falls in the beginning. When firm produces 3 units, it reaches at the minimum point. This is the optimum capacity. यहाँ stop होना चाहिए. Okay, ideally optimum. But if firm produces beyond this point, उसके ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन करेंगे, 4 unit तो 10, 5 unit 12. So this is after below the normal capacity, and this is above normal capacity or above optimum capacity. उससे जितना ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन करेंगे उतना क्या होगा, आउटपुट विल इंक्रीज एट डिमिनिशिंग रेट. उत्पादन વધશે તો ખરું, પણ શું થાય, ગતતા દરે વધશે. કઈ રીતે? 100 200 200 300 300. इनपुट 100 रुपीज, आउटपुट 200 रुपीज. इनपुट 200 रुपीज होना कितना चाहिए? 400 300 रुपीज. Here output is not declining, output is increasing, but at diminishing rate. उत्पादन વધે છે પણ ઘટતા દરે છે. उत्पादन ઘટતા દરે વધે છે मतलब ખર્ચ વધે છે. Deliberately I am using Gujarati. Yeah. So cost is increasing. Why? Because you are trying to produce more beyond the normal capacity. Okay. So this is the situation where cost is increasing. Okay. So try to understand why average cost, I am repeating, average cost is falling in beginning, falls in the beginning. What is the reason? Output is below the normal capacity or operation of increasing returns. At P point, it reaches at normal capacity or optimum capacity. After P point, average variable cost rises very sharply. What is the reason? Output is beyond the normal capacity, output is above the normal capacity or operation of decreasing returns or diminishing returns. आई बात समझ में? और एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, बराबर समझ में आए. सपोज an electricity generating plant has optimum capacity of generate 10 lakh kilowatt power. उसका मतलब क्या है कि जब ये प्लांट 10 लाख जनरेट करेगा, जो प्लांट जब 10 लाख किलोवाट पावर जनरेट करेगा, तभी उसकी ऑप्टिमम कैपेसिटी होगी. मतलब कॉस्ट पर यूनिट कॉस्ट मिनिमम होगा. 1 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट, 3 यूनिट, 4 यूनिट, 5 यूनिट, 6 लाइक दिस. वो कहां पहुंचेगा? 10 पे. सपोज 5 यूनिट का कॉस्ट है 10 लाख रुपीस, मतलब पर यूनिट एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कितना है? 2 रुपीस. एंड 10 यूनिट का है 15 लाख, मतलब पर यूनिट कॉस्ट कितना है? 1.5. ओके. सो अगर जहां तक हम पहुंचेंगे, જ્યાં સુધી આપણે 10 લાખ કિલોવોટ પાવર સુધી પહોંચીશું, ત્યાં સુધી શું થાય? પર યુનિટ કોસ્ટ ઘટતું જશે. પણ 10 લાખ કિલોવોટના પાવરમાં 11, 12, 13, 14 જેટલું વધારતા જઈશું તેટલું શું થશે? પર યુનિટ કોસ્ટ વધતું જશે. ધેટ ઇઝ એવરેજ વેરિયેબલ કોસ્ટ. Getting my point? The 10 lakh kilowatt power, optimum capacity. Okay. Minimum cost. Before that, cost is declining. After that, cost is increasing. Okay. Clear? Again, repeating. Sorry. Average variable cost is like U-shaped, falls in the beginning, reaches at minimum level and then rises very sharply. Why it falls in the beginning? Because output is below the normal capacity, or in other words, operation of increasing returns. At P point, it reaches at minimum level. After P point, it rises very sharply. What is the reason? Output is beyond the normal capacity, or in other words, operation of diminishing returns or decreasing returns. Okay. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.